good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's so good one.
Oh, good one. Jeez.
Good.
Alright.
There we go, y'all. Yesterday, we didn't go fishing yesterday, did we?
No, sir.
Did I come home from Georgia yesterday, or did I come home the day before the day before?
Day before yesterday, because yesterday we went to Fancy to get shrimp.
Oh yeah, yesterday we gave a deer to a very good friend of mine, and we went and got some shrimp, so we couldn't come fishing yesterday. We finished hunting in Georgia on Friday. That was the last day when I killed the big buck, and the day before was when me and Lester killed the big buck. So 2 excellent bucks, the 2 biggest bucks on our hunting lease, killed by 2 good friends. So that was cool. But today we out here on Lake Talcott catching these big old stud bass, getting ready for a tournament here in a couple of weeks. So hang tight, we'll show y'all some more. We fishing these Texas rigs, just working any kind of cover we can find, and that's a good 3.5, 4 pound bass, and she's going back into the water. Hopefully we'll catch her again in a few weeks.
Well, that's like 3.5 almost.
Huh?
That was a good 3.5.
3.5, 4 pounds, yeah.
That was pretty good.
She had a little drag barking, didn't she?
Sound like Dixie on a deer.
The real blood dog.
Oh yeah.
The real blood dog. No corn dog here. We got the blood dog.
Oh man.
Alright, we're going to move on to another spot. We'll be back with y'all shortly.
A lot better with this shape, Texas rig.
Oh, I should have taken a picture with that fish and sent it to Lester. I need to try that drag a couple quick.
I was like, dang, Dad should have brought his flipping stick,
Yeah.
not his
Texas rig.
Texas rig rod.
Good stuff.
P.S. I'm using the exact same rod.
Yeah. And PSS, he just don't know how to work the baits on his problem.
I know how to work a bait. I'll figure it out eventually. I know how to work a lot of things.
You know, they say the first step to winning is losing and learning how to take a loss and not cry like a little. Ooh, that was a fish. That was a fish. What you got in the line all up?
How bad did she spray it?
Bad.
Aren't you using like 12 pound line?
Mm-hmm.
For a Texas rig.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, 12 pound line and 10 pound line and 8 pound line are for stuff like crankbaits and jerkbaits.
Mm-hmm. I got my fish. Where's yours?
I'm working on it.
Genius.
I know it's 20 pound string, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. I got 12 pound Suffix. If we want to play dirty, I can play dirty. I can dirty my diaper in a hurry.
Number 2. Pretty good one. Number 2. Good stuff. Alright, boy, you got this.
Alright, put this in a little bit. Alright, right there. That's about 6 photos.
Alright, time to call the dogs and go home. And smoke us some oysters.
Oysters.
Oysters. A
Oysters.
lot of oysters.
Yep, what we're gonna eat for dinner.
Shrimp tacos, don't you remember?
Oh yeah, that's right. What, chip up some fried shrimp and put them in a taco shell.
Mm-hmm. With tomatoes and some cheese.
You gonna video smoking some?
That or you make a poor boy sandwich too. I might make a poor boy sandwich.
What's that?
Same thing as a shrimp taco, but on bread.
Oh, I might eat that as a snack.
Nuh-uh. We have no.
I thought we had a fancy.
No, it's shrimp poor boys in taco. Shrimp taco. Alright, so that's a wrap on today's cold January the 15th, January 15th fishing trip. Caught 2 good bass, one about 3.5, 4, one about 3, and the great fisherman, he says not today.
I mean, I promise you. I'll tell you why, though. It's because I'm trying so insanely hard to figure out precisely what I can do with one lure.
Right.
And I'm going to show you.
He's working on one lure, and it's one blade short of a spinnerbait. Just kidding. He's fishing with a jig. How'd y'all know? He's fishing with a jig.
I'm going to figure out how to fish it. I'm going to. I'm not going to let anyone tell me I can't figure it out. And I'll tell you, it's not because...
I didn't have you in the right spot.
That's not the only thing.
Bad guide.
No, I'm not saying
Bad guide fishing,
Dude,
not hunting and
also,
fishing.
It's also winter.
Winter
is
is
the hardest
time
of the year.
True.
But in spring, summer, and fall, I bet you I can entice you.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Keep it fresh. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Alex said keep it fresh.
What the farmers say.
That's what the farmers say. I thought it was the people trying to sell the farm goods that keep it fresh. Farmer, all he's got to do is grow it. It's the man trying to sell it that's got to keep it fresh. Can't sell brown lettuce. They won't buy that.